Welcome to the Learning Square. It was a wild week at the stock market with Tesla and Apple completing their stock splits. The investor interest in these two stocks were great. Tesla rose around 80% in the last month, and Apple rose around 30% post the announcement of the stock split, till the splits were completed. So, what is this stock split? Why did these two companies do it, and why did the stock prices rise so much? Let us see all these details in today's video. Of course, we will also be seeing what are the stocks that could be next in line to announce the split, and is it good to get into these stocks early? So, let us begin. A stock split is a decision taken by the company to increase the number of shares. For example, in a 5-for-1 stock split, 4 additional shares are given to the shareholders, for each share that the shareholder owns. That means if the company had 10 million shares before, post the stock split, the company will have 50 million shares outstanding. The stock price also gets affected with the stock split. If the stock was trading at $500, post the stock split, it will be trading at $100. So an investor has 1 share of company ABC trading at $500, post a 5-for-1 stock split, he will have 5 shares of company ABC trading at $100. You may be wondering, what is the use of this split? Nothing has changed for the investor. Earlier, he had 1 share trading at $500, and now he has 5 shares trading at $100, so why do the company do it? The main reason why a company does a stock split is for the share of the company to be accessible to small investors. If a company is trading at $5,000, it may not be accessible to smaller investors, but if the company does a 5-for-1 stock split, even smaller investors with just $1,000 would be able to invest in that company. Recently, a lot of brokerage firms have come up that offer fractional shares. You can start investing even if you have just $5. So, technically speaking, the shares are still accessible to smaller investors as well, who can get fractional shares, but people generally prefer owning 1 whole share rather than, say, 0.0543 share of a company. Investors will not be affected in any material way. It's just the interest in the company grows as it gets accessible to more investors, and more investors buy it, causing the stock price to go up. Both Apple and Tesla saw a huge increase post the announcement of the stock split, in speculation that once stock gets split, it will be more accessible and it will grow further up. The stock splits generally work well for a short-term gain. So, there's great interest to see if there's any other company which can follow Tesla and Apple by announcing a stock split. This would give investors opportunity to get in early and make some good profits for a short term. Here are 3 companies that we think may decide on a stock split. Top on our list is Amazon. Amazon is currently trading at around $3,300 and holds the 3rd highest stock price on a US exchange. The company can plan a split, maybe a 10-for-1 split, for the stock price to be made more accessible. Amazon has done 3 stock splits in its history, and the last one was way back in 1999. So, there is high chance that Amazon can go ahead with this decision now. Number 2 on our list is Shopify. It has grown around 150% in the last year, and has entered the $1,000 category. The demand for this e-commerce platform is still on the rise, and there is good chance that the company owners can think of splitting their stock. And the last on our list is Netflix. Netflix split last time in 2015 when it was trading around $650. Netflix still has a lot of upside potential. It has a solid leadership, a growing operating margin, which will increase its cash flow, which in turn could help get more content. So, these were our 3 picks that we feel can come up with a stock split in the near future. If they announce the split, this may give you a good chance to invest and make some profits for a short term. All these companies are also great for long-term investment. Do let us know which stocks do you like. And which stocks do you see announcing a split in the future? Thank you for watching.